This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a quick backup before changing your PC name. This avoids permission errors and accidental data loss. Once you have those, open Settings, go to System, then About. You'll see a Rename this PC button. Click it to begin. Enter the new, concise name that follows network rules, letters, numbers, hyphens. Make sure it's unique on your network so name conflicts don't block discovery. This first step gets Windows ready to apply the new identity. Continue by actually performing the rename. If you prefer the graphical route, type the new name into the dialog and pick Restart Now or Restart Later depending on your timing. If you like command line precision, open PowerShell as an administrator and run Rename Computer New Name, your new name, then Restart Computer. For domain-joined machines, you'll need domain permissions. Renaming without proper rights will fail. Once done, the system records the change and queues a restart to apply the new computer identity across services. Finish by restarting when prompted. After sign in, confirm the new name in Settings right arrow About and from another device on the network. If your Microsoft account shows the old name, go to Account, Microsoft, com/devices and update it so cloud services match. If the rename fails, check that no pending updates or reboots exist, run PowerShell as admin to rename, and verify group policy or domain restrictions aren't blocking changes. That troubleshooting step usually resolves permission or policy-related errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.